Assalamu alaikum, this is Porosh again, and today I'm going to show you the third part of the tutorial called how to make a quiz game using ActionScript 3. So last time I created this project. This is the correct answer, and this is the correct answer, this is the correct answer, and this is the correct answer, and it will take me to the total point. Yes, so this is the file. I have made changes, made a button and some text field, and here it is written type your name below and submit, and this is an input text field, and this is a button, give an instant name, submit button. So I want now when I type my name here and submit this button, it will take me to this menu. First I will do this and then explain it to you about this one. Okay, so and here also I have this frame, a label called register. Okay, and this one menu. So first, selecting first frame, I'm going inside my action panel, and here I have to make a variable var register name, and that would be a string. It is a string as it's gonna hold string. Okay, it's gonna hold text, so it is string. And here I'll copy the instant name of this button, and I'll type here submit button dot add event listener. It will be mouse event dot click, and the function name should be rage name handler, and now type the name function, paste it here, and event mouse event, and here I want this register name equal to be this input underscore txt, dot text. When submit button is clicked, this register name is gonna take the text from this input underscore txt, and here I'll type if, I'll put a condition, if register name dot length greater than 4, then go to and stop menu label. That means this label. Okay, here the label name is menu. Else this one underscore txt will be showing your name is too short to be registered. That means when somebody type here less than 4 character, then it will be showing this text, this warning 1 underscore txt will be showing that text, this text, or it will take me to this menu. Okay, let's test it. Okay, if I type here submit, it's saying your name is too short to be registered. Okay, and okay, submit, and it's taking me to this quiz. I also want, when it's showing me the warning, that color should be red. So dot text color equal to, you know, the color code we have used in previous tutorial. I'll just copy that, and this is the color code for red. So if I test it now, control test, and if I type too short, submit, it's saying your name is too short to be registered. Okay, and yes, it's taking me to the menu. And now when I click each of the button, it will take me each of these frames. Okay, so here, selecting the action frame, I'll go inside that action panel and type here add event listener, and it will be also mouse event. Let me copy that one, just copy this whole thing, and delete all this stuff, and also delete this button name. And here I will use switch statement. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 buttons, so I will use here switch statement by typing. I have already shown you how to type switch statement, so let's do it once again. Switch even dot, but first I have to change this function name. Menu click handler, switch even the target, and case break, and copy this case and break and paste it 4 times. Okay, and total 5 cases here. So first case is about start quiz, and the button name here, the instant name of this button is start button. So start button, and this one about button. In case of about button, and this one correct button, that means showing correct answer. Paste it here, and this one ranking button, and ranking 1 2 3 4 5 ranking button, and this one for exit button. And why did I type 1 2 3 4 5? Sorry, I have pasted. Okay, so it is done, and now when I click start button, it will take me to the game. So just type go to and stop. What is the label of the game? Quiz. This is the label. So I'll type here that label, and if I test it now, it should work. Test. First register your name, then submit, and then start quiz, and it is done. And here I will answer Dhaka, and one thing I also want here is when it is 7, I want this color should be changed red. And also I have changed that beep sound, because in my previous tutorial this beep sound, this alarm sound I have changed, because in my previous tutorial when I uploaded that, YouTube make copyright claim, so I have changed the sound. Okay, and now what I did, let me test it again. Type your name, submit, start quiz, and quiz has started. Okay, with sound, and then okay, it is done. And now we'll work for this about quiz. So this is very easy. In case of about button, it will take me to this. Where is the about here, this label. So just copy this and paste it here, and correct button. So similarly we'll copy this, and when I click correct button, it will take me to here, not here. Okay, so this is password label. So just change it to password and ranking button. It will take me to here. Okay, so and this label is ranking. So copy this one, paste it, and change it to ranking. And when I press this exit button, it will close the whole application or whole quiz. And if I just type here fs command opening parenthesis double quote closing double quote closing parenthesis, it should work. It should work only for .swf file. Let me show you. Let me first test you this. Okay, test, just type name, submit, and here exit button. If I click this one, it will not work, but it will work here, I think. Okay, submit and exit, and it is working. So you know what this command does. Okay, and now the about, go to stop about, go to stop password, go to stop ranking. Okay, I'll test it and see whether it is working or not. Okay, now submit, as we have seen start, and now about quiz, and it is taking me about quiz. Here I have to type something about this game. You may type whatever you would like to. Back button, and this back button is not working. I'll also give this script to go back to the menu. Okay, and when I submit name, and when I go to the correct answer, it is taking me to this password section, and when I click ranking, it is taking me to the ranking players ranking frame, and you know what does exit button do. Okay, so about quiz. Now this is about, and I'd like to make a click event listener so that it may take me back to the menu. So here I'll just copy this and in this frame, opening the action panel, I'll paste this and change the instant name of the button back about button. Okay, you can name anything you'd like to. I named it so that I may avoid duplication. You always remember, don't put any duplicate name for these buttons. So, and when this about button is clicked, also name the the function name saying back about handler. Makes sense. And also you have to be careful that you shouldn't type any duplicate function, and here just type go to and stop where menu, save it, test it, submit, and when about quiz back, it's taking me to the menu again, and about the correct answer here, and I'll work for this now. So here when I put a password, and this is also an input text, you see, and this is dynamic text pass1_txt, and these are the two buttons. One is for submit and other is for back to the menu. So here I'll copy this click event listener, paste it here, and then I'll delete the rest. I'll keep it only for two buttons because I have here two buttons, and one is pass submit button. I'll copy this instant name and paste it here to change it, and also for this one and I'll also change the function name. Function name should be pass click handler, and here is also pass click handler, and when pass submit button is clicked, I want to go here, so, and the label name is correct, so, and as usual back pass button, when I click back pass button, it will take me to the menu. But here when I put the correct password, it will take me to the correct section. So here I have to type a variable var correct pass, and this correct pass will be, when I click this pass submit button, this correct pass will be this password underscore txt dot text, and when if correct equality, the password should be fbd. Let me make another variable, var real pass equal to be fbd, and here I will change it to real pass. If this correct equal to this real pass, that means here I have declared correct equal to be this password underscore txt, and when this password underscore txt will be this real password, that means correct equal to password, then it will take me to the correct. Comment it out. Okay. And here else this password underscore txt dot text will be showing wrong password, and also I want this text color should be equal to be, and you know we have used color code before, so I'm gonna there and just copy this color code. Okay, so let me test it. It is saying an error. Correct. What is the this should be correct password equal to be correct pass equal to password underscore txt, and correct pass equal to be real pass. Correct pass, real pass. Okay, if I test it now, submit, correct answer, type other thing, wrong password. If I type here fbd, it is also saying wrong password, you know, because wrong password. Let me see. Here behavior, you see here multi line has been selected, so if I change it to single line, I think it should work. Remember this, guys, very careful. You must select text behavior single line or else it won't work. Okay, let's log in, and correct answer, if I type something else, it said wrong password, and if I type fbd, it should take me to the correct answers. Okay, and it is working. And now I will give an event listener to this button. Okay, so here I'll copy this line, but first you see, let me test it. submit, correct answer. If I type here FBD and this text is visible, I don't want this text should be visible. It should look like actual password. So here I'll copy this instant name and here I'll type password on txt equal to be dot text equal to be display as password. This is the code, or I have forgotten the code. Display as password. This should be upper as display as password. It is not right, something wrong. I forgot the code. It will be dot display as password equal to be true, I think. Password also txt dot text dot display as password equal to be true. I think it should work. If I test it, oh, it says an error. So the problem is delete the text. Password also txt dot display as password. This will be working. Okay, sorry guys, sometimes people forgets. Submit and then correct answer. If I type here anything, it's showing me the password, and when I click wrong, if I type here FBD and submit, and it is taking me to the quiz game. Okay, and now I'd like to give event listener on this button to go back to the menu. So here I'll just copy this, copy and paste it here inside this frame, paste it, change the button name, back correct button, and then delete everything from here and just type here, go to and stop menu, the label, and here back correct display holder, whatever it is. You can type anything you'd like to. This thing just came to my head, so I typed it here. Okay, save it. If I test it now, here anything, submit, correct answer, password is asking for password FBD, submit, and then back, it is taking me to the menu. So and now yes, for this button, okay, for these two buttons, and then for these two buttons. Okay, so I'll copy this code go to here first. Yes, and select the frame and go to the action panel and paste the event listener and change the button name. Also delete everything. Okay, so bring back the go to start menu. Okay, change the button name here. This is clear button, and this one is rank back button. Okay, when clear button is pressed, it will be taking me to here, clear ranking frame. So go to and stop this label clear, and as usual this will take me to menu, and here change the function name clear click handler. You can name anything you'd like to, and here too. And now if I test it, everything is okay, I think. If I test it and type your name, submit, ranking, and clear, is taking me to the clear. No, I have to give add event listener to here too. Type again, then ranking back button, it is taking me to the menu. It is okay. And now for this, and here I will copy this and paste it here. Change the function name, one click handler, makes sense. And here also change the button name, yes button, and that is no button, I think, no button. And when no button is clicked, it will take me to here. So go to and stop ranking. So I have to type here ranking instead of menu, and here different case. But first let me test it. Okay, name, submit, ranking, clear, and it is taking me to clear, and if I click no, it is taking me back to the ranking. And now I would like to, this is a long tutorial today too, and here when I click yes button, I want that the rank should be clear, and this is time consuming, so I'll make another tutorial to save score and clear the score. But today I'd like to show you that I have made a change here. I have take the timer text here, and behind I have made a movie clip, and it has two frames, one is this color and other this. So if I play quiz, let me test it. Test. And start quiz, it shows me that timer text here that I have made changes, and I have also made changes of the sound, alarm sound, because in the previous tutorial when I uploaded it on YouTube it strike copyright, so I have changed the sound. And as usual, when and it's taking me to the quiz game, and here I want to be shown the username, that the first login username. I mean when user logs here, and when the quiz is over, this text should be showing that username. Okay, so the instant name of this text is name_txt. Very simple. Just paste it and type, and the text would be name_txt. name_txt dot text equal to be register name. Let's see what happened. Submit. Start quiz. Dhaka 1971, China, 1st February. Okay, same thing. Use this variable, instead it is working fine. Okay, so one last thing I want is, for this tutorial, in the next tutorial I will make share object. Last thing for today is, when timer is greater than 7, I want this oval should show this frame. So the name of the movie clip I have named it time circle. Copy this and go to that main quiz, and here alarm starts time circle dot go to and stop 2, and when copy, and when next quiz I want time circle dot go to stop 1. So if I test, submit my name, submit, start quiz, when timer is above 6 years, it is working, and it is working, and it is taking me, but the rate is here. No, so it is not working. Just put it here. I thought that would work, but it didn't. Okay, no problem. Dhaka, sorry, I pressed Dhaka. Now yes, it is working fine. Okay, it is working. So far so good. Okay, it is done. And one more thing I should tell you, that suppose I have 100 questions or more than that, then it is very difficult for typing all this code over and over again. So I thought I should make a change of it. So just comment it out. This is just an experiment and it will help you. You can get rid of all these codes, but first I have to make two custom function, and I'll make it here by typing custom function of correct answer and type function when correct answer void, and copy this, make another custom function when incorrect function. Okay, when correct answer, here just choose this. Okay, copy. I have copied the correct answer code from there and arrange it. Sorry guys, I don't know why I make so long tutorial, but I think if you follow along with this, okay, and now I'll copy incorrect answer, the function of the incorrect answers, paste, and should I get uncommented? Yes, sorry, I should have done this before. Okay, and now I'll copy this event listener, whole event listener. As I have commented it out, it won't disturb me, and I'll paste it below, and then I'll remove everything and uncomment it too. And here the tricky part, if this answer holder dot current frame equal to 1, that means answer holder go inside this frame 1. Then another condition, if even dot target equal to answer holder dot this correct answer Dhaka. Then yes, it is okay. Then this function will be executing, and here type else. This function will be executing. That means it's easier than previous one. Okay, that means when the answer holder and correct frame will be 1 and this button is being clicked, then this function will be executing. Or else whatever button you click, that means you click inside this answer holder, it will be executing this function. Okay, it is much more easier. And if I test it now, let me first test whether there is an error or not. Name Borosh, submit, start quiz. If I press Dhaka, correct, well done, it is taking me there. And test again, name, submit, start quiz, and you have pressed Rangpur, incorrect, try later on, and it is taking me to the same place where it used to take in me. And now just copy whole thing, paste below, and when the correct holder, answer holder dot current frame equal to be 2, and put the correct answer, and correct answer is 1971. Copy it and paste it. The same function will be executing, and copy again, paste, and when the current frame is 3 and the correct answer of here is China, that means copy the instant name of the correct answer and just change it China, and it will be showing correct answer as usual. And now for the last one, when that is 4 and the correct answer is this 21st February, Feb 21st, and change it China, and it will be working fine. Okay, and you see, and now I'm going to delete all this. I don't need this any longer. But if you followed this code, you have learned something. No code is waste. Every code has something to learn. Okay, but make it dynamic and make it easier. And now you see only few arguments and the same result is the same. Okay, and test it now. Type my son's name this time, Farik Rahman, submit, start quiz, and Farik answered Dhaka, yes, 1971. My son is not getting this answer, so he's waiting, and now wrong, and this is also wrong, and now Farik Rahman. And so guys, in the next tutorial I'll be making a share object to save players rank and name, and to clear the players rank, and that's it. Tutorial, though it is too long, but I think there is something to be learned here. You have learned how to submit name, you have learned how to make password, and a lot of things, I think. So please do subscribe me and put a lot of comments, share this video, and please guys, if you think you have learned something, comment. Why do you shy? Okay, see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.